Toothbrushing. First, let's get the toothbrush. Let's wash the toothbrush because it has many holes. This is our toothbrush. We brush our teeth and to get the toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste. We'll apply this toothbrush. Okay, done. And when we apply it, we'll now get a toothbrush. Up, down, up, no. And the tongue. Here inside. Here inside. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, it's my turn. Let's go to the appliances like foods, like bread and like TV. Oh, this is wait, wait. I have surprise. I have surprise you. Um. Oh no. I'm sorry. This is makeover like sides for like water, like sofa, like vitamins, like this one vitamins and this one medicine, vitamins or medicine, vitamins or medicine. Um, this is vitamins or medicine. This is a makeover in here, makeover and a cell phone, and cell phone again, cell phone. Like um um, let's go to the um this is a clock. Wait, this is my friends. This is my friends, and she have a gadgets.
Hi, I'm Janine. Let's go to the YouTube. Okay.
She like YouTube and she like YouTube, like Facebook, like appliances, like everything. She love eat food. I this is my clock. It's my clock. That is a clock I will watch. And yeah, and this is a TV. That is a TV, and this is a radio for sure. Radio, and she have a clock. Wait, I will see. That is a radio, and she have a clock. She's so very nice. And what is time? Oh, 7:10. Okay, that is the time, and we have go here and again. Let's go here. This is a light like a girl, like this. I will. This is a gift from my Lola. This is a girl, and she lights. Yeah, and this is a horse gift for my Lola again, and I don't know. She have many gift for me, and I don't know. Okay, it's appliances. Like this horse, and so beautiful, and I don't understand why you should give me this one. this one like a horse, so very nice. And I didn't know why she gave me this one, and I don't know, but but why? I don't know. This is what call this one? Yeah, or this, yeah. There's many money like Texas money, like California money, and this is a clock, and this is a um like this one for, yeah, and she have lights, lights. Oh, she have lights and lights again, and that is that one. And I don't know. I have many clocks. I don't know why. I have many clocks, and I don't know why. Like for sure. This is a this is a knife. Oh wait, this is a knife. This is a knife, and this is a knife too. So very nice. And this is a straw. And this is a salt, and this is a Nescafe glass, and this is a toothpick. But I don't know. It's so weird. Tooth, tooth, and this is a glass, and this is a plastic. This is a like foods like that, and this is a flower. This is a flower light, and we have, oh god, and we have a ref here, refrigerator, and we have foods like these, like this. I don't know, like this. What's your name? And this one. And this cheese ring. Oh, wishy, like crackers. This is a royal. I drink royal too. This is a beef and pancit canton. And this is a jelly ace. Oh, no more jellies more. And let's go to the bed. Oh, okay. That is a bed. Oh, no time. Bye bye. Please subscribe and like, and no time. Please subscribe again, like that. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.